DL Peck in 5th with 0.00 pounds. So DL Peck
Wait.
blurred out that he is experiencing some stormy weather where he is.
That's what they call it sometimes. I like to call it foot to ass syndrome. Some people call it the weather.
You can't talk about my boy like that. You can't talk about my boy like that. It's right up there. It's right up there.
Few moments later.
DL Peck, he hooked up.
DL is hooked up.
Oh no!
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh no!
That's the winner right there.
He on the board.
Oh no!
Let's go.
With a what? How big?
You got that 4-pounder, boy.
Oh, that'd be a major comeback, baby.
Oh no! Did he say "and the news"?